Hi, Gary Arch here, and I just wanted to give you a very quick demo of the Soci Jam tool in action. So I've got the tool in front of me now, and what you want to do is either type some text in or paste some text in from another source like a notepad or a Word doc or wherever. And then you just want to make it look nice with the formatting. So use your bolds, italics, underlines, strike throughs, and add emojis. Just make it look really, really nice. Once you're happy with the way it looks, you simply go down and click the next button. Once you've done that, you click next again, and then basically it's done. So what you want to do after that is just go over to the left and click on the Facebook icon. And once you hit the Facebook icon, it'll take you over to Facebook, where you simply go into your post or your ad and just paste it in. As you can see, all the formatting has come out nicely onto your Facebook post. So this is going to make your ads and posts stand head and shoulders above your competition. Now, also in the members area, we have some very cool training, including a training on how you can actually make money simply from a Facebook post. That's just making sales or affiliate commissions from your newsfeed with 100% free traffic. And we do have a few other training videos and templates as well in the members area. So thanks for watching this demo, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.